Hey everybody, Brian here from the GuitarFactoryOC.com. Today we're going to look at two of my favorite finger picking patterns so you can have riffs that sound like that. Alright, the first one of my favorite finger picking patterns is one that utilizes Travis picking. And what Travis picking is, it's where your thumb does these bass notes that land on the quarter notes that continue back and forth. And then what happens is your other fingers will sneak notes between these, while those don't stop. Okay? When you pick up the speed, it's pretty cool. Okay, so this Travis picking is the idea of keeping that thumb hitting those alternating bass notes. So this pattern is one that's going to use 4 strings. You can use any 4 strings. You can be on the top 4 for a D chord. You can use the center 4, the A, D, G, and B, like for a C chord, or using a G or an E. Do them on the lower 4. So it's a 4 set of strings that you need to make this happen. Let me zoom in and show you my right hand what's going on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the C chord for this example, and I'm going to use my thumb, which is part of that alternating bass. Pointer finger is going to be assigned to hit the G. The thumb comes back for that other alternating bass on the D, and with the middle, hit the B. So as we're seeing, the thumb will then go to the middle, and the thumb comes back, and then the middle finger's on that B. So thumb, pointer, thumb, middle. And when you put that into a song, you can play that twice, it will fit into 4/4 rhythm. 1. And again, if I switch to a D, I can use the same idea. You'll notice I do use a little bit of an anchor finger too. My pinky sits down there to get a little bit of accuracy so I'm not really floating and trying to find those strings. That's a good help when you're starting finger picking. And that's how the same pattern looks on the top 4 strings. So that's number 1 of my favorite finger picking patterns. Let's look at the other one that's very similar. It just twists things around a bit. Okay, this is also a 4-string pattern, but we're gonna mix the order up so it's not as kind of ascending sounding. It almost feels like it's descending, meaning there's notes that go high to low a little bit more in there. So let's use the C chord the same way here. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna zoom into my right hand, is we'll have the C chord, and instead of going thumb, we're gonna go thumb to the pointer on the G, we're gonna go thumb to the middle finger on the B. So we're gonna skip all the way to the end of those 4 strings. And then we're gonna use the thumb on the D string, because that's gotta be alternating, and then the pointer. So it's kind of reversed what the top 2 fingers are doing. And again, if I'm using maybe an F chord, I can use the top 4 strings. I'm going to now skip to a C. So instead of it sounding like the first one, where it kind of climbs up, you can hear it hits that higher tone and then comes down. So those are 2 finger picking patterns you can actually put into action today. Try them with all the chords you know. It's a gorgeous sound to them, and it almost sounds like 2 guitars are playing, or there's a bass accompanying you on that one. So hope that's helpful. If you're liking the videos, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe. Also, if you are interested in getting better at overall guitar, head over to the GuitarFactoryOC.com. There's a link below to get access to a free quick start course.